Welcome to Soul Sync Living, your space for finding balance and harmony from within. Have you ever really stopped to think about the incredible power that resides inside your own body? The power to heal, to mend, to restore itself. It's not magic, it's biology. It's a profound built-in intelligence that we often overlook in our busy modern lives. We search for external solutions, for pills and quick fixes, but what if the greatest healer we'll ever know is already with us, working tirelessly every single second? Today, we're going on a journey deep inside ourselves to uncover the magnificent, self-healing nature of the human body. We'll explore 5 amazing ways your body is constantly working to keep you healthy and whole. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer brilliance of you. First, let's talk about the foundation of our internal repair system: cellular regeneration. Think of your body as a bustling city, and your cells are the citizens. Every day, old cells retire, and new ones are born to take their place. This isn't just a random process. It's a highly organized and intelligent system. For example, the lining of your stomach, constantly exposed to strong acids, completely replaces itself every few days. Your skin, your first line of defense against the outside world, sheds millions of cells daily, making way for a fresh, new layer. Even your bones, which seem so solid and permanent, are in a constant state of remodeling. Specialized cells called osteoclasts break down old bone tissue, while osteoblasts build new, stronger bone. This incredible turnover ensures that your body stays resilient and functional. It's like having a dedicated construction crew working around the clock, repairing and rebuilding every part of your internal city. This process is happening right now, without you even having to think about it. It's a quiet miracle, a testament to the body's commitment to survival and well-being. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that you're not looking at the same person you were a month ago. You are constantly being renewed. Our second key point is the immune system, your personal elite bodyguard. This complex network of cells, tissues, and organs is your frontline defense against invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other harmful pathogens. When a threat is detected, your immune system launches a sophisticated and coordinated attack. White blood cells, the soldiers of this internal army, are deployed to identify, engulf, and neutralize the intruders. You've seen this in action every time you get a small cut. The area might become red and slightly swollen. That's inflammation. A sign that your immune system is rushing healing factors and immune cells to the site to clean up the damage and prevent infection. It creates a protective barrier, fights off germs, and then initiates the repair process. This system also has a memory. Once it has defeated a specific enemy, it remembers it. If that same germ tries to invade again, your immune system can mount a much faster and more effective response. This is the principle behind vaccines, but your body does it naturally all the time. It's learning, adapting, and moving on to our third marvel, detoxification. In our modern world, we're exposed to a wide range of toxins, from environmental pollutants to processed foods. The primary organs involved in this process are your liver, kidneys, lungs, skin, and digestive system. Your liver is the master detoxifier. It acts like a sophisticated filter, processing everything you consume. It neutralizes harmful substances, converting them into less toxic compounds that can be safely eliminated from your body. Then, your kidneys work to filter your blood, removing waste products and excess water to produce urine. Your lungs expel carbon dioxide with every breath, and your skin releases toxins through sweat. Even your gut plays a crucial role, ensuring that waste is efficiently moved out of your system. This intricate network works in harmony to constantly cleanse your internal environment. You can support this natural process by staying hydrated, eating whole foods rich in nutrients, and getting regular exercise. When you support your body's detoxification pathways, you're not introducing a new process. You're simply helping the incredibly efficient system that's already in place to do its job even better. Your body is always striving for purity. Our fourth point is one we can all relate to: the power of rest and sleep for repair. Sleep isn't just a passive state of rest. It's a critical and active period of intense healing and restoration. While you sleep, your body gets to work on all the major repair projects it couldn't get to during the day. Your brain, for instance, uses this time to clear out metabolic waste that builds up while you're awake. This process is vital for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. This is why a good night's sleep can literally clear your head. During deep sleep, Your body also releases growth hormone, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding tissues, like muscles after a workout. Your heart rate and blood pressure drop, giving your cardiovascular system a much-needed break. Cells produce more protein, the building blocks for cell repair. Essentially, sleep is when your body's maintenance crew comes out in full force. Depriving yourself of sleep is like telling the repair team they can't come to work. Over time, the damage accumulates. Prioritizing quality sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do to harness your body as natural healing abilities. It's a free, non-negotiable prescription for health. Finally, our fifth and perhaps most profound point, the mind-body connection. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have a direct and powerful impact on your physical health. This isn't just a philosophical idea, it's a scientific reality. The field of psychoneuroimmunology studies exactly this, how your mind affects your nervous and immune systems. When you experience chronic stress, your body releases hormones like cortisol. In short bursts, cortisol is helpful, but when it's constantly elevated, it can suppress your immune system, increase inflammation. It actively hinders your ability to heal. On the flip side, positive emotions like joy, love, and gratitude can have the opposite effect. They can reduce stress hormones, lower blood pressure, and even strengthen your immune response. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and spending time in nature have been shown to shift your body from a state of stress, the fight or flight response, to a state of relaxation and healing, known as the rest and digest response. In this state, your body can allocate its resources to repair, digestion, and regeneration. Your mindset is a powerful tool. By cultivating a positive internal environment, you are creating the optimal conditions for your body's natural healing intelligence to thrive. You are an active participant in your own well-being. So let's recap these 5 incredible truths about your body. First, the constant renewal through cellular regeneration. Second, your vigilant immune system, always protecting you. Third, the sophisticated detoxification network that keeps you clean from the inside out. Fourth, the profound restorative power of sleep. And fifth, the undeniable influence of your mind on your physical health. Understanding these principles is more than just interesting trivia, it's empowering. It shifts our perspective from seeing the body as fragile and prone to illness, to seeing it as resilient, intelligent, and fundamentally designed for wellness. It reminds us that health isn't something we need to chase frantically outside of ourselves, but something we can cultivate from within. Our role is not to force the body to heal, but to create the right conditions for it to do what it naturally knows how to do. This means nourishing it with wholesome food, moving it with joy, giving it the deep rest it needs, and filling our minds with thoughts that support its incredible work. It's about partnering with our body, listening to its signals, and trusting in its profound wisdom. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the body's amazing capacity for self-healing. I hope it has left you with a renewed sense of awe and appreciation for the incredible vessel you inhabit. If this resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to SoulSync Living for more content on holistic well-being. What amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, be well and trust in your inner power.